Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze technically analyze with the daily H4 4-hour and the 1-hour time frames. What are your goal opportunities? What are the levels? Do you get the trade perfectly? So let's start with the daily time frame. So I'm in a goal chart daily time frame. So this is the strong resistance area with the daily time frame. You can see price reacted several times this resistance area and also rejected from this resistance area downside. This is the level 2390 level. This is the strong resistance level with the daily chart. So price need this strong data to breaks this resistance and go to upside, and 2400 is the psychological level that the price needs to strong data to break this level. So with the daily chart, this is the strong resistance level. You should remember 2390-91 level is the strong resistance level with the daily chart. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. So I'm now in the gold 4-hour chart. So I am seeing the trend line with the 4-hour chart. This is the price is in trend line 4-hour chart. You can see so price several times reacted this trend line, also reacted this trend line again. So can we move to the upside with trend line like this, or if this trend line breakout, you should wait for the retest for your sell trade. So that's the strong trend line. You should remember with the 4-hour chart, if the trend line is the key area with the 4-hour chart, and also this is the strong resistance area. You can see left side resistance area. So you can see this area is a strong resistance area with the 4-hour chart. This is the strong resistance area 2366-68 area is the strong resistance area. You can see price rejected from this area again. So break this resistance and wait for the retest. Price go to the upside again. So this resistance area is the key area. So this breakout, so you should wait for the buy trade with the 4-hour chart. So that's the 4-hour chart opportunity. So this trend line breakout, that's the retest your, this is the your sell opportunities, and this is the target 2348 first target. So that's the 4-hour chart, your key opportunities goal. And again I am going to the 1-hour chart. So 1-hour chart, that's you can see this is the price reacted several times support area. 1-hour chart you can see, so price reacted retest several times this 1-hour chart. This area also reached this area. This is the 2350 area. That's the psychological level. That's the maximum pain level, MPL level 2350. Price several times tested this 2350 area. You can see that's a strong support line with the 1-hour chart. This can be head and shoulder pattern like this. This can be a pattern, head and shoulder pattern like this. So you should wait for this support line breakout, this 2350 level breakout, your sell opportunity. Wait for the retest for your sell opportunity with the sell trade with the 1-hour chart. So this not breakout, this is trend line. You can see this is the your sell area. So reach this area like this, price can be move like this with not break out to this support line. That's the 1-hour your chart opportunities. That's the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frames your opportunity with the gold trading. My Telegram link is below. You can join with the accurate gold signals analysis. So thank you very much.